I bring to you the light. And for this journey, I invite you to close your eyes and imagine yourself in being in this place, whether it's inside or outside, that is pitch black. As you look around, you barely see anything. And right in front of you, there is this beautiful candle. And you become so mesmerized with this beautiful light, noticing the flame moving left to right, reshaping itself to every slight breeze. Watch the flame with your utmost curiosity and allow it to fill up your entire field with this magnetic, beautiful light until it penetrates through your field, through your body, all the way to your heart. Feel that light. You will find the flame within your heart, that passion, the bright, shining star within you, the dreamer within you, that part of you that is so excited and ecstatic about this whole experience called life. Notice the flames uniting, the one from your heart and the one from the candle becoming one beautiful light. Ease into this bath of light. Surrender to the easiness of being this beautiful light, so bright. And maybe for a moment you let go of control and you allow yourself to be all light. Notice every organ in your body turning into pure light. Your lungs, your liver, your stomach, your legs, everything turning into pure divine light. And the moment you become all light, you cease to feel your physical body, you're sensing your energy field, your essence, your spaciousness, your light. Imagine what it would be like to walk through the world with this beautiful light shining so bright. When you shine so bright, the darkness ceases to exist and surrenders to light. My invitation for you this week is to be that light. Begin every day becoming that light and walk through the day noticing everything around you shifting, expanding, becoming more light. Awaken to your true divinity, to your own light. And expand into knowing that you're always, always, always shine bright. Be that light.